My name is French Bun. And my name is Bunny. We are prairie dogs. We're looking for a habitat. Is this where we live? No, this is not our habitat because it doesn't have any plants. Is this where we live? No, we don't have cactus in our habitat, and this ground is too hard. Is this where we live? No, because we don't live near water. Is this where we live? No, because it doesn't have the grass we need. Is this where we live? Yes, this is perfect. It has the grass we need and soft ground so we can dig holes.